Good morning, grade 2, and welcome to my class. Once again, our subject is all about science. So are you ready to listen with our first lesson for this morning? Great. Okay, so if you're ready, let's do this. So for the unit 1, we're going to talk about Earth and the living things. Lesson 1, we're going to talk about the layers of the Earth. So at the end of these lessons, our objectives are you're going to learn at the end of these lessons all about know the different layers of which Earth is made of. Number 2, realize the benefits that Earth's layers provide mankind. Number 3, give and describe the different layers of Earth. Now let's have the story of life on Earth. It says nobody can explain how life started on Earth. Scientists can only make guesses and conclusions based on facts and findings they had made. Some scientists says Earth was formed from a ball of dust. Over time, the dust grains gathered more grains, grew in size, and transformed into a planet. So this is a scientist. Intelligent men and women who have expert knowledge of one or more sciences. So they are what we call scientists. Again, scientists are those intelligent men and women who have expert knowledge of one or more sciences. Now, these are the types of scientists, and let's watch this.
Different types of scientist. Archaeologist. I study about the remains of ancient people, their bones, and their belongings, to see what life was like a long time ago. Astronomer. I study about the universe that includes outer space, sun, moon, stars, and planets. Biologist. I study all forms of life that include humans, animals, plants, and bacteria, about how their body works and how the environment affects each organism. Botanist. I study about plant life that include identify new plant species and evaluate their parts and uses, and study the effects of pollution such as acid rain on plants, and work toward environmental protection. Chemist. I study about elements, atoms, molecules, and matters and its changes. Geologist. I study about rocks, minerals, and Earth's landforms include mountains, valleys, plateaus, glaciers, hills, plains, and deserts. Meteorologist. I study about the atmosphere and weather. Oceanographer. I study about the ocean that include marine life of plants and animals, ecosystems, ocean circulation, and the geology of the seafloor. Physicist. I study about motion, forces, and energy to explain the way things work. Zoologist. I study about animal life that include physical characteristics of animals and animal behaviors.
All right, good job, kids. So those are what we call the different types of scientists. So do you have any questions? If you don't have any questions, let's move on. For our lesson one, we're going to talk about the layers of the earth. Once again, for our lesson one, we're going to talk about the layers of the earth. Say layers of the earth. Good job. Now, the layers of the earth. Geologists call these layers of the earth, number one, we have the crust. Number two, we have the mantle. Number three, we have the core. And as you can see, we have here a picture of a layers of the earth. Do you see it? Great. Now, what is a crust? The crust is a thin outer shell or surface of the earth. It is made of lands, islands, mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains. The other part of the crust are the oceans, seas, and other bodies of water. And that is what we call the crust. What is a mantle? The mantle is found below the crust. It is separated from the crust by the Mohorovicic discontinuity. It is in the boundary that scientists can feel the increase in speed of earthquakes. Again, that is called mantle. Say mantle. Great. Now, what is a core? It is the most inner layer of the earth, and it's believed to be filled with metallic elements like iron, nickel, and cobalt. It is the hottest layer of the earth. So that is what we call the core. Say core. Great. Now, do you have any questions regarding for our lessons for this morning? Are you sure? Again, remember the layers of the earth. We have crust, mantle, and core. Say it again, please. Crust, mantle, and core. Great job. And those intelligent men and women who are expert knowledge of one or more sciences are what we call scientists. Say scientists. Great. All right, good job, kids. So if you don't have any questions, I'll see you again next time. See you around. Bye.